Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be putting together this Spellbinders die. It is called the All Occasion Bow. So this is a tutorial on how to put this together. It may look self-explanatory, but I thought it would be fun since I'm already playing with it to jump on here and create one with you guys. So you're going to receive all these dies here. And you're going to cut 2 of each one, okay? These thinner, like irregular shaped ones are going to be your stripes to your bow. So you can decide whether you want to use a different color or if you want to use specialty paper or whatever you choose. Just keep that in mind that those are for the stripes, okay? You don't have to use the stripes of this bow. You can totally have it just the bow on its own. So let's get started. I cut this out of regular cardstock. I'm going to be using my Kish Flamingo Oxide ink. And I'm going to be using these little things that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. So this piece here is actually going to be like your shadow piece. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to ink this entire piece this color. You guys can use your alcohol ink markers to shade in as well. You don't have to use inks. Totally up to you. You can even cut this in a different color cardstock if you like. Okay, so there goes one. Let's do the other. I don't usually ink a lot, so I know this is time consuming, but it's an extra step you can take to just give an extra detail, you know, and make things pop. Okay. All right, so there goes those 2 pieces there. And then I'm going to do some ink blending around these die cuts. And I'm just going to ink the edges just so that it's not just that color on the shadow. I think it'll blend well. Again, you don't have to do this step, but I want to see how it looks, you guys. Anybody that knows me knows that I am obsessed with bows. And when I saw this die, I had to have it, you guys. So it will be linked down below. And then I also picked up another die that I'll be putting together on camera with you guys as well. Let me know if you guys would like that. I'm not the best at ink blending, so... Okay, don't judge me. You can totally, it'd probably give a cleaner look if I just left it alone. But we're going to do the extra, take the extra mile and add this ink. And there's not that many pieces to ink, as you can see. And then the stripes, we're going to do a glitter. It's a tonic paper. I'll try to link it down below for you guys as well, if anyone is interested. I love Tonic's glitter paper. Okay. Trying to soften these edges a little bit. So there goes that. And then we just got to do the tails and the middle piece. So you cut 2 of every one except for this. This is your middle piece. You could do it, cut 2 and pop one up so it can be dimensional. If you don't have one of these like applicators, you can use like an eyeshadow thing, because that's basically what this is. Or you can use a Q-tip. Q-tip works really well. Guys, I am not good at inking. I know all you professional inkers are like cringing right now, probably. All right, let's just do this one. I definitely got to make one with solid cardstock. I cannot wait to see how this looks assembled. It is a big size, you guys, and that's exactly why I wanted it. I have so many smaller bows. I don't have enough jumbo bows. This would be perfect to make it look like a faux gift on a box, on a mini album. So many different possibilities. No, there was black on the other side. Why did I do that? Okay. All right. So let's see how this comes out. We are going to form our bow. I'm going to, oh, I forgot to do this middle part. I'm going to overlap these just a tiny bit. I'm going to place some glue there. And we're going to form the main part of our bow. Oh my God, you guys, look at that. And I didn't ink this part. We're going to leave it for now. Then we're going to grab, let's actually do the shadow parts, the stripes first. So you're going to get pieces that go like this. There's going to be two directions, you guys. Okay. So one will be for the right side, like so. And one will be for the left side. This one's going to go down here. And these little dots, those little indentations on the middle, is going to be your guide on where to put these stripes, you guys. Okay. So let me just get these placed in the right direction. There we go. And now we can glue them. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of this. And again, I'm going to use those lines as a guideline. Now I got to figure out this part. I'm going to line this up right on the edge right here. Maybe it goes, I want to use that line. All right. I'm going to go above that line. Just like that. Look at how pretty that Kish Flamingo looks with this paper. This cardstock is just some regular cardstock from Michaels in the color Blush. So it's that regular 65-pound weight. Just like that. Okay, let's continue to glue our stripes. This is looking so pretty. You guys gotta let me down below if you snatch this die. Okay, so again, you're gonna line it up on those lines. Use those lines as guides. Look at how pretty, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the inking. Should I have left it out, or does it look good on there? The next one will have to be a lot cleaner. Then we'll put our second. Let me lift this up, I cannot see. Okay, so I'm lining it up with that line. And I'm bringing it all the way to the edge. Look at how pretty. There goes our base to the top. Next, let's do this middle part. I didn't ink it. And this stripe is going to simply go in the middle. Okay, it should fit perfectly. And the more narrow tip is going to point down. Okay, so the thicker side will go on top and the smaller will go facing the bottom. And try your best to get it right in the middle. I feel like I need to ink the edges of this, guys. Let's ink it. I think the inking definitely adds something to it. I went too heavy on that side. Let me try to match them up a little bit. There we go. That's fine. So let's do our legs first. Our bottom of our bows. So we're gonna do the same thing. We are gonna take our pieces and line them up. This is really bugging me. I'm gonna turn it around. If anyone knows me, they know I don't like to waste a thing, and I am not wasting this piece. So I'm just gonna flip it around. No one will know the difference except for you guys. Don't tell anyone. And then we'll glue those glitter pieces. I definitely have to work on my ink blending, guys. All right, so we're gonna take our bows, the glitter pieces, and they're gonna kind of face each other. See how they kind of bow at the end? Make them opposite, going like that, guys. Once you get this bow die, you'll see what I'm talking about. You don't want them facing the other way, basically. You want them to face each other, and they're going to have curves. The curves are going to go towards the end. What a beautiful die set. I'm in love already. I think it will look really cool to have some embossed. Emboss your paper and then die cut. And you'll get another gorgeous bow. Okay, let's do this side. So look at how simple and easy this is to put together. Pretty quick, minus the ink blending. And let's do the side. Look at how gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna assemble this part. So I'm just gonna put some glue on the tip. And you guys can put this however you like. You can have it going straight down, more curved. Up to you. I'm gonna go with that one like that. And then this one, let me get my bone folder. So I can get a nice bond. Look at how gorgeous. So I just want to match these. I think that's pretty good. All my fellow YouTubers, don't you hate it when you're pre-recording or you're live and there's things go wrong that normally wouldn't? Okay. And then last but not least, we're gonna add our center, and don't forget that the wider part is the top. So I'm gonna pop this up on foam. Got glue all over my nails. All right. And that's gonna go right in the middle. And there you have your bow. Look at how gorgeous, you guys. It is so big. I'm loving it. It is so beautiful. I really like the inking. Let me know what you guys think about the inking. Look at that boo-boo on the back. So I hope you guys grab this die. Have fun. I'll show some projects of what I use this on. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.